So this is all the tools I have to buy so I can repair and restore the Mustang. I got 3 Mustangs to repair at the same time, so it's worth it for me to get these tools. If I only do one car, I wouldn't buy the tool. I just go and rent or borrow. Yes, all the prime. Some tool for body parts, some tool for engine, some tool for transmission. Like this one right here, door skin removal and install. That one right there is spot weld chisel removal. Go through a whole bunch of sandblasters. The one that on the bucket with sand, that's the best one. Cost $14 a piece. The blue blaster cost me $40, and it blow up the nozzle and the whole unit after 4 or 5 weeks of use because plastic. But the one on top of the yellow bucket sand is metal, and it lasts, and it's very strong, powerful. We're gonna do our painting. Prime with this very old paint machine. We bought it to do well, spot well, and all this too for body work and remove dust and rust on the body. Then many more tools. Those right here is to smooth and bore the valve. Got many more part too. And then the next video I will video all the new replacement part for the car, part for rebuild engine and transmission. I'm going to try to detail everything I do and show before and after.